Just step out of the car, please.
So what's making you tell me?
Please step out of your car until we figure out what's going on. Step out of your car.
Excuse me?
Please step out of the car until we figure out what's going on.
I'm standing here next to my car. You're not in charge,
Shut
brother.
the door.
I hate to break it to you.
Okay, you're not running the fucking situation.
Listen, I hate to break it to you, but I am. Whoa, why are you guys touching me?
You're not going back in the car.
Oh, I'm not going in the
So
car.
follow his instructions and you're going to get locked up.
Oh,
Follow his
or I'm
instructions.
going to get locked up?
You're going to get locked
100%.
Officer DePuzio?
Yes. So just
On the 19th of September 2025, officers in New Jersey responded to a trespassing complaint that escalated into a confrontation testing the boundaries of law enforcement accountability. The subject was Lieutenant Maxwell Venuto, a law enforcement officer himself, who refused to leave a neighbor's driveway and would not comply with lawful police orders.
How you doing? Who called? What's going on? My camera's on.
Hi, he was here
Okay.
in the car.
Who's
I
here?
pull up, the guy, the guy in the suit,
Okay.
and I'm like staring at him because I got to get in my driveway. So I'm like talking to him, and he's like, I work in the hospital.
Yeah.
I know you're f***ed up. He had his pants half down. He was trying to button them. I don't know what the f*** he's doing. And then he starts.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay.
Is there an issue?
And then he starts backing up and almost hit my garage. And then my
This
husband
is your
came out.
house?
Yeah.
Why is he in your driveway? Okay. You asked him to move, though, and that's where he moved?
Yeah. He was supposed to leave. Ryan came down and talked to him, and he was supposed to leave, and he didn't leave.
Where was he
Fucked up.
parked?
He was here, and then he almost hit my mailbox, and then he turned, and he went all the way up, and Ryan had to go, wait!
And you guys don't know him?
The other Gem that went in the house, she's f***ing intoxicated. He's been drinking. He went to court today. This is an I want
You
him gone,
guys
dude.
don't know him?
No.
And where-
They're in and out constantly in this f***ing house.
Which house?
Yeah,
You got to give me a little more detail. No, I don't. That's why I'm asking you questions.
coming in blind right
Yeah,
now.
I'm not trying to be a
talked
smart
him.
ass,
What's
but
his name? Lieutenant
Give
Venuto.
us the story from Jump.
yeah.
They moved in. How was it in the beginning? They seemed okay in the beginning. And
What
then all of a
happened
sudden,
today?
He was here.
Okay.
I told him to move.
Yep.
I got out of my car and I said, "Sir, are you are okay?" I said, are you having a medical?"
Yo, get out of the car. Get out of your car, please. Yeah, please step out of the car.
What the fuck's your problem?
Just step out of the car, please.
So what's making you tell me?
Please step out of your car until we figure out what's going on. Step out of your car.
Excuse me?
Please step out of the car until we figure out what's going on. Please step out of the
Gene?
car. Yes.
Okay.
And our cameras are on.
Who's,
Please step out of your car.
I understand you're. So I just wanted to clarify this.
I'm
was
gonna
just
clarify
no,
that
you're
you're
not
gonna
gonna
step
tell
out
me
of the
what to do.
car.
I'm gonna just talk to you right now. I'm
Okay.
sitting here. I'm very open. So you're telling me what was that? Just restart from where you were.
I would like you to
Officer
step out of the car
Virgin.
so we can figure out what's going on.
Explain why.
Is this your house?
No.
So your car's parked in the driveway. I can smell alcohol coming from your breath. I need you to step out of the car.
This isn't my car. I'm here, parked, hanging out.
You're hanging out in his house, in his driveway, and he wants you here?
He said I could park in the driveway.
Okay.
No.
Step
Oh,
out of
you
the car.
didn't say I could park in the driveway?
I didn't say you could park in the driveway.
You were just talking to me about why we're here.
I
We
don't
had
know
issue
why
with the
you're-
neighbors.
All right, we're gonna step over here.
The car
You
because
can go.
it's not
That's
safe
good.
No, you can step away from
I'm
the car.
standing here next to my car. You're not in charge,
Shut
brother.
the door.
I hate
You're
to
gonna
break it
step
to you.
away.
No, I'm here. Why are you shutting my car door? Whoa, why are you guys touching
You're
me?
not going back in the car.
Oh, I'm not going in the
So
car.
follow his instructions and you're going to
No,
get locked
listen.
up.
Oh,
Follow his
or I'm
instructions.
going to get locked up?
You're going to get locked up.
100%.
Officer DePuzio?
Yeah, so just slide over.
No, listen,
So I can
I'm
shut the
going to
door.
get myself situated.
No, you're not. Okay, you're not running the fucking
Listen,
situation.
I hate
okay?
to break it to you, but I am. And if you have to disagree, you want to arrest me, you want to throw me in down
Okay,
there.
we will do that. We don't want to do that,
Hey,
but we
do it.
will.
Listen.
So just follow instructions.
I'm playing respectfully.
So move over
Whoa,
so we
see
can
what
shut the
he's
door.
I
doing
want
now?
you away from the
Yo,
driver's side of the
bicep.
door.
Whoa, I'm standing here right now. Whoa, what's going on here? Why are you doing that,
If you're not
retard?
listening, and you keep trying to step in the driver's side of your
Shut
door,
the fuck up,
and I can
pussy.
smell alcohol coming
Shut
off
up.
your... Okay.
I'm not driving. I'm here on private property. Suck.
That they
I'm
did not
respectful.
authorize
I
you to be
deal with
on.
police officers. I'm gonna tell you, suck. I'm here. This is legal. The car's not running. I can
You're
open
not
it.
going back in your car.
I can open the. I can open
If you
it.
touch it and open it again, I'm going to place you under arrest.
If I touch this car,
You're not. You're drunk. Stop.
I'm not going anywhere. The car's not started. I can open this car.
No, you
So
can't.
you're gonna place me under arrest if I open this car?
You're-
So I have no-
You're definitely going to be placed under arrest.
Oh,
I can
really?
tell you that right now.
So I'm on private property.
That you're not authorized to be on.
Case, we'll deal with you in a little bit, okay? Appreciate it.
You didn't say I could pull the car here.
No.
Okay. Okay. So the car needs to be moved. You're a faggot. You're a pussy.
That's fine.
You just talked to me. We had a good relationship.
Put your hands behind your
Don't
back.
touch
I did my
me.
job.
Turn around, put your hand behind your back.
Why is that?
Turn around, put your hands behind
Look,
your
we're
back.
not going to fight you. We're not going to fight you.
I don't know. Why am I
Okay?
putting my hands
We're
behind my
not going
back?
to fight you.
Whoa. Why are you doing that?
Put your hands behind your
Why are
back.
you doing that?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why am I putting my hands behind my You got your camera on?
I do.
Yeah, you do.
Listen,
You
I'm
got
going to
your
have to put
boy.
you on the ground.
Are you a sergeant?
You want to get tased.
Are you in
We're
charge?
not gonna fight you. I'm just
Are you
gonna
in
tease you.
charge?
Put your hand behind your back.
Are you in charge?
Put your hand behind your back.
Capuzzo.
Turn around, put your hand behind your back.
I'm going to place you on the ground if you do not stop.
Put your
Place me on
hands
the ground.
behind your back.
Good. Give me a reason for
Okay.
that. When I'm sitting on private
Behind your back.
Why am I in the arrest for sitting here?
You're disorderly, you're drunk, you're not listening to instructions.
I'm disorderly. I'm sitting here. I'm not causing any
Yeah,
issues.
we told you plenty of
guys.
times. We just asked you to do some stuff and you just didn't want to do it.
Whoa, what?
Alright?
Yeah, you asked me to do something if you don't want to do it. Is that what it is? For sitting in a parking spot? What do you mean? I'm sitting there on someone's porch. You guys are going to try to run me that way? Why are you ramming me?
I'm not ramming you, bro.
Nah,
I'm
you
sitting you
are. You're
up.
being a pussy. You
No,
are.
I'm not.
Yeah, you want to give it a little...
I'm not ramming you, bro.
You did.
I'm not.
Don't act like a fat...
I'm not. You're in handcuffs. I'm not ramming. I'm just going like this. Just let him search you. I'm not ramming.
I'll let you search me.
All
I'm
right.
telling you. No.
I'm not ramming you.
Man to man. Talk to me.
I'm not
Can you talk to
ramming
me?
you,
Petruza?
The boozer. I'm not ramming you.
You're not ramming?
I'll talk to you.
Okay.
All day I'll talk to you.
Why is my
Dude, we asked you to do
I'm
a couple
not
things,
son
bro.
of bitches. I'm sitting there on a porch with stuff.
I know. Then you're calling him a pussy.
Yeah, he's a pussy.
No, for what?
What are you running my pockets for?
Because you're under arrest. I'm searching you.
Oh, really? I'm under arrest.
Yeah, you
Why
are.
am I under arrest? Why am I under arrest?
Stop moving.
Wow, I'm
Stop
standing
moving.
still.
You are
I'm
adding more
standing
charges
still,
to
bro.
this. Face this way.
I'm
Let me to
standing
search you.
still. You guys came when I was sitting on the porch. So what's your fucking problem? Can you standing here? Yeah, what's wrong with you guys? Why are you guys grabbing me so? What are you getting out of my pockets? Oh, good, my. Seriously. I don't want to be disrespectful to you guys. You guys are fucking...
Look, we're just searching. So, relax.
apparently she was in front of my house giving it head.
No, that's not my girlfriend. Hey, ma'am, are you interested? Are you interested in exceeding the same option? Hey, you dirty fucking skank. I'm sorry, I wouldn't be this way, but obviously the neighbors are acting stupid.
We're going to get you down there with
So
the
why am I
process
under arrest?
for disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct. I've been sitting on private property and...
Hop in for me.
What was that?
Hop in the car.
So wait. So I'm under arrest.
Under arrest right now.
So I was just sitting on that person's front porch.
They don't even know you.
Step in the car.
You're arresting me for disorderly conduct.
Yeah.
Why are they speaking to me under arrest?
What's that? DePuzzo and Perry G.
Yeah.
So
Please
now we
step
just
in the
want you
car.
to get in the car, bro. We want to bring you to headquarters. You're going to get processed.
Casey, this bitch is a crackhead. She's not with me, but it's like
Okay.
and you guys probably.
Well, let's get you out of here.
Let's get you out of here.
Casey, come here. You guys are probably arresting.
You're not listening to him. Go away.
Get my
Go
phone.
away.
Don't listen to this retard. You're not in charge of like rights. Listening. Whoa, yo! You got this on video, Casey? You guys are ramming me. That's kind of gay. Seriously, you gonna ram me in? How old are you, Zipizio? 13. Take that belt off. I'll bust your ass up. You got it, right?
So when I came out to go get my daughter from the bus stop,
What house do you live in?
I live in this one.
Yep.
The car was parked here.
Yep.
I was walking
In the middle
to
of
go
the
to-
street?
It was parked right here in between
Yep.
and he had his pants around his ankles and
Yep.
his boxers and said to me, "Hey honey," as his hands were in his pants. So I called my husband because I'm walking alone to go get my 6-year-old daughter and I was afraid what I was going to come back to.
Yep.
And then that's when she pulled in and the car was blocking her driveway. But he definitely had no pants on.
Yeah, he was doing this.
Yeah, but there's a lot of
So
children.
you live here?
Yeah, she lives here.
You just
Me,
gave me
me,
this
me.
idea.
That was me.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I was
And not for
abrupt
nothing,
before.
we got to exchange info because I got to report this to work too.
Just for the report, you do not know him. You did not.
I have no
you
idea
did
who
not
this guy
permit
is.
him to or ask him to park in your
No.
driveway. Okay.
Like I said, they went in reverse all the way to the other
Yep.
side of the curb, hit the curb, put it in forward,
Yep.
went around the cul-de-sac until he turned and went head first, headlights facing this way.
Yep.
All right, stayed there. She ran out of the car, ran into the house, didn't see her again. And then that's where he stayed. And the longer he waited, I'm like, something's going on with this guy. So I went and got my shoes on. At that time, my wife started rolling up. He was blocking the driveway, so she couldn't get in the driveway.
Yep.
And she approached the vehicle and was like, "Are you okay? You okay?" And then I start coming out the house, and she goes, "He's fucked up. He's messed up." And then he proceeded to back up. He hit the mailbox. Didn't do any damage, not that it looks like, but he hit the mailbox, goes forward, and starts backing up my driveway. Thought he was going to go through my garage. I screamed at him, and then he got a little irritated. He got out the car. I calmed him down, and then I just distracted him until you guys got here.
Okay. Does your ring camera capture any of this?
It's
That's
not,
her.
it's dead.
You gotta be kidding me.
It's dead. My ring camera would capture him doing this stuff in the, because I'm the middle house.
That's okay.
I just took the ring. It just died.
And what did you see? So you pulled up at 2:45
Honestly,
roughly.
his story,
Same exact thing. Okay.
100%.
And then you just
I
asked
said
him
to him,
move
well,
and
I did say, are you having a medical emergency?
Yeah.
And he goes, get the fuck out of here. Keep going.
Okay.
Go. That's the only discrepancy.
Got you. Thank you very much. I appreciate your guys' patience.
No, no worries.
My car is blocking his car. I'm trying to get where he turns around. Right? You said he like...
In reverse, hit the curb, and then moved around.
What, before she got home or after she got home?
Before she. That's how he ended up blocking the driveway, because that's where he settled.
I wonder if I was on a computer, because I guess I walk away so it doesn't do like the person detected one.
Okay, so there's no.
But like the car.
Is there any video of him in the car or anything like that, or it's just we know he was in the car?
I have her yelling at him.
That's okay.
We're just getting.
So,
We're just getting
Obstruction, resisting,
disorderly. We're getting with assault on us.
There's 7 kids under the age of 3. Just like get no
Yeah, I mean, from
pants
what we
on.
did right here, there's nothing more we can do. He's getting numerous charges, like
Scary.
a good amount, and he'll be trespassed from your property. Did he go on? What's your address? Did he go on your property at all?
I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm saying I would like to beat your ass. I hate to say it, and you might laugh at me. Yeah, Max is a pussy. Max is like, it's not just you. But I'm just telling you.
Are you going to be cooperative when we get back? Are you going to be cooperative when we get back?
I've been cooperative the whole time, have I not?
All right. So what we're going to have?
I've been cooperative the whole time or not?
I would say no.
You would say no. Then f off, don't say anything, and we'll figure out how to say it.
All right. You ready?
Am I ready?
Yeah. We're gonna. I am ready. I'm gonna head over to these other officers.
You got this, okay? And run it. I was just anticipating this guy rubbing me down. No, I'm not. I quit today.
Everything good?
Yes.
Everything went good.
Thankfully. I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
No, you're all good.
We're gonna put you in a holding cell for a little bit, and then I'll come back
Yeah.
and finish the paperwork.
Maybe you take that
I'm
from
gonna
me.
put it with the rest of your
What if
stuff.
I just left it on me? You wouldn't have taken it.
I would
right?
have, yeah, when we got in.
I'm gonna hold on to it. Like,
You
what
can't.
if you
It's
guys...
our policy.
I can't hold on.
No.
Even if I was wearing it.
I would have asked you to remove it. All right. Can I grab your
That's for
belt?
now.
Your belt too.
You want a cup or something? Water? You good?
If you have a cup of water, but
Yeah.
I'm not trying to. What am I waiting on to move for?
So we're gonna go do some paperwork. I'll come get you, and we'll do fingerprints and pictures.
For the charges.
Yeah. So it looks like it's gonna be disorderly conduct, obstruction, resisting arrest, and
Resisting arrest.
yeah.
No, put your shoes on for me. Brother, you awake?
Max, we're getting out of here.
Hey, Max, you awake? Alright, let's pick it up.
Max.
Max, it's time to go. Your shoes right there, brother.
How you guys doing?
Good,
How
alright.
are you?
So what do we need to do to get out of here?
We're actually heading up to county jail, alright?
Where's
Why is that?
yeah.
I'm not too sure, I wasn't there, but I'll be the one driving you up.
You're driving me up,
I'm driving you up.
even though you got situated with whatever it was last time on my phone. Not then you didn't hear what I just said, or does that sound like the same thing we're both dealing with? You talked to the dispatcher, she said you to situate me.
I'm just driving you, brother, I'm just driving you. Wasn't
Yeah.
there?
Yeah, not to really say.
We just met.
Good, so we're on a crazy rush right. Dolan?
Yeah,
Pete, you know Pete Dolan?
I don't know, Pete.
No.
I did meet you once before on a stop. I think the girl was driving. I gave you guys a warning.
Wasn't my girl probably if you
Last name long ago wasn't Casey. It was her sister.
cousin?
Cousin? Is she a girl or no?
It's a girl of mine. I have a 3-year-old in the mix of things, so it's like I make a straight these chicks like, hey, I'm worried, bro. Yeah.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Under New Jersey Statute 2C 18-3, criminal trespass occurs when a person knowingly remains on property without permission after being asked to leave. Once the homeowner requested Venuto depart and he refused, the legal elements of defiant trespass were established, elevating this to a fourth-degree crime. Officers detected the odor of alcohol and requested Venuto exit his vehicle. This request was legally sound under Pennsylvania v. Mimms. The 1977 Supreme Court case established that officers conducting a lawful investigatory stop may order occupants from a vehicle for officer safety purposes. Venuto's refusal to comply triggered New Jersey Statute 2C 29-2, resisting arrest, which does not require physical force to constitute a violation. Verbal refusal to comply with lawful orders during an arrest meets the legal definition. Simple non-compliance is a disorderly person's offense. Resistance involving force elevates it to a fourth-degree crime with up to 18 months imprisonment. Risk of injury becomes third degree. Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989, requires that use of force be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. Given the trespass complaint, odor of alcohol, and verbal refusal to comply, a reasonable officer would conclude arrest was necessary and justified. New Jersey DUI law, statute 39-4-50, applies to both public roads and private property when a person has control of a vehicle and poses a risk. Venuto's location in the driver's seat on someone else's property, combined with odor of alcohol, established probable cause for DUI investigation. His refusal to provide a breath sample violated New Jersey's implied consent law, resulting in automatic 7 to 12-month license suspension. Refusal can also be admitted as evidence of consciousness of guilt, suggesting awareness that blood alcohol would exceed legal limits. The responding officers receive a grade of B+ for their handling of this incident. Their legal compliance was strong. They established lawful basis for contact, articulated probable cause for DUI, and their force progression from verbal commands to empty hand control was appropriate. Tactically, they demonstrated good scene awareness, called for backup early, and maintained professional composure despite repeated verbal challenges to their authority. Most importantly, they enforced the law equally without allowing professional courtesy to override public safety and accountability. The minor deduction reflects that more explicit documentation of intoxication indicators beyond odor could have strengthened the case on camera. Lieutenant Venuto receives a grade of D-. His refusal to comply with lawful orders transformed a simple investigation into multiple criminal charges. As a law enforcement officer, he should have understood that once officers have probable cause, his preferences about being arrested are legally irrelevant. His only lawful option was compliance, potentially under protest, followed by legal challenge through the courts if he believed the arrest was unlawful. His repeated claims of being in charge and his apparent expectation of professional courtesy exemption demonstrate a mindset incompatible with equal justice. Under New Jersey law, he committed criminal trespass, DUI, resisting arrest, obstruction, and disorderly conduct, all captured on Bodycam. The grade of D- rather than F reflects only that his resistance remained verbal rather than physical, and he eventually submitted to handcuffing. 3 critical lessons emerge from this case. First, body-worn cameras provide objective evidence that protects both officers and civilians. Without this footage, competing narratives would exist with no definitive record. The camera ensures accountability and transparency for all parties involved. Second, professional courtesy has limits. When courtesy would require ignoring serious crimes or endangering public safety, equal enforcement must prevail. The responding officers made the difficult but correct decision to treat Venuto like any other citizen, upholding the principle that justice is blind to status. Third, law enforcement officers should be held to higher professional standards. The badge grants extraordinary powers and must come with extraordinary accountability. When officers break the law, particularly public safety laws like DUI, it undermines public trust in law enforcement and damages the profession's integrity. For civilians, this case demonstrates why compliance with lawful orders is critical. Even if you believe an arrest is unjust, the legal remedy is in court, not at the scene. Resisting arrest only adds criminal charges and escalates what might have been a minor incident into a serious legal situation with lasting consequences. For law enforcement, this case reinforces that equal application of law builds public trust, while selective enforcement based on profession erodes legitimacy. The decision to arrest a fellow officer for DUI and resisting arrest, though difficult, reflects commitment to the oath to uphold the law without favoritism. This incident serves as a reminder that the badge is not a shield against accountability. It is a responsibility to exemplify the highest standard of conduct. Let us know if there's a legal topic you'd like discussed in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more analysis.